Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to pin a Facebook group. So let's start. First, open the Facebook app. When the app opens, you will see a group icon just beside the home icon at the top of the screen. Now tap on this group icon and here you will see posts from all the groups you are member of. Now tap on the group name to visit that group. When you are on the group, tap on the three dots on top right corner. And you'll see the option to pin group. Tap on that. And the group will be pinned. And from now on you will see the post from this group on the top of your newsfeed as well as on your group feed. And that's how you can pin a Facebook group. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And I'll see you in the next tutorial.